There are many great things about this high drive trailer. In an emergency, pilot will refuse his plane to be pushed back through an oil spill. So we have to get out there within a certain amount of time to clean it up. So having a trailer here for our job is essential.
So we've decided to go with a high drive aluminium body because it will never rust, and the chassis is alloy as well. So it just gives us certainty and peace of mind that they can tow it behind the vehicle at a moment's notice wherever they need across the airfield.
So this trailer comes fully decked out with a switch panel on the inside, the ute to turn lights on and off. All four corners of this trailer have work lights, so it doesn't matter, 24/7 we can attend to any spill.
The shelving system is so modular that all you need is a simple socket set, and you can change the configuration of the dividers and shelves to however you want, whenever you need down the track. Another important safety feature in this trailer is a rear roller drawer. Incorporates a spring-loaded catch, so when you're opening the drawer every 400ml, it will automatically catch if you leave it, so it doesn't injure people or damage any machinery. So this trailer now contains equipment to respond to whichever spill may occur on site. Our client can have the peace of mind knowing that it's a quality build here in Australia and it's going to stand the test of time.